Hi, I'm Avery Pham, Trainee Development Manager at Trielle.
And I'm Tim Noakes, Project Director of the Apartments team. We've just completed the concrete pour on level 3 of the podium, and it's from this vantage point that we're pleased to bring you the latest construction progress here at Trielle.
Right now, we've got around 140 personnel working 6 days a week on site, including steel concreters, bricklayers, plumbers, and electricians, and a team of around 14 Mirvac employees, including engineers, site and project managers, and HSE advisors, overseeing the work to ensure every stage of the build meets the highest standards of quality, safety, and construction excellence.
We've received our first delivery of facade modules, and they remain on track to begin installation later this month. This marks an especially exciting milestone as we begin to see Trielle's shimmering diamond-like facade come to life. Mature trees have already been hand-picked and are now being grown off-site, ensuring the ground plane entry and the level 7 oasis landscaping will feel lush and tranquil from the day our residents move into their new home. Recently, members of our team travelled all the way to Spain to visit the headquarters of our selected kitchen and bathroom stone supplier and conduct a thorough inspection of the stone that's being installed within this building. In early September, we received key joinery elements including a kitchen, bathroom and entry joinery and wardrobes. This will give us time to inspect the elements of a full-scale prototype prior to fabrication to ensure the detailing meets the Mirvac and Trielle standards.
Looking ahead, our next major milestone is topping out the podium structure later this year. This marks a pivotal moment in our project's progress, and we look forward to sharing this exciting news with you then. From all the project team, we want to thank you for being part of this journey, and we look forward to sharing more updates with you as we move towards completion in 2027.